guys? It's Puppet, and I've got some brand new and exciting announcements to make for the Gloving Academy Patreon. Gloving Academy is changing. It's been about a year and a half since Jay started, and as a creator, it can be challenging uploading brand new pieces of content on numerous subjects each week, which is why starting on October 2024, the Gloving Academy Patreon is shifting to be more concept focused each month. This allows patrons a clear understanding of what to expect each month and also gives you a chance to live in the concept for a little bit. One of the current struggles that some may have with the Patreon right now is that you never really know what type of content you're going to get each week, which may be a fun surprise at times. But part of what I want to bring to Gloving Academy is helping build a deeper level of understanding within concepts, which is something that is hard to achieve if the topic keeps changing every week. And with that being said, you may even start to see new faces or mentors in Gloving Academy. I can only provide so much information on a particular concept in my own way that sometimes hearing it from other great Glovers may be more beneficial. So every month I will be bringing in Glovers who are masters of the concept, and you may even start to see content from classes, tutorials, interviews. Anything is on the table. We will also have labs targeted towards the concept every fourth Sunday of the month on the GA Discord subchannels. I advise patrons to take advantage of the 30-minute lessons with me they get every month if they want to talk about other concepts that are not the focus on the month. So a couple questions you may have: what concepts are you choosing from? So concepts can range from tutting, whips, to things like musicality or showmanship. Sky's the limit here. Number 2, how do we decide what concept we're focusing on next month? To be honest, there isn't really a formula on how we're going to do this. If the majority want a certain concept, then I'm more than happy to focus on said concept. But there may be times where I will choose, and it really depends on the mentors or the guests that I have available. And I've got a lot of great people who I want to bring on that you don't want to miss. And number 3, how often is content going to be pushed out? So you're still going to be able to see content every week. And now that the program is more focused, you're going to see a lot more theory crafting and new move posts. I truly believe that these simple changes make the Academy feel more academy. To all my patrons, I really appreciate you and hope you are just as excited as I am to embark on this new Academy. And for those of you who are not on the Patreon, what are you doing? Hop on board and see your Gloving level up. Thanks for watching.